What's up with my people out there? Welcome back to my channel. This vlog is about, me putting my clothing brand together. This Thrash Life clothing brand I've been working on, man, for years, bro. And, just like the whole live stream thing, I decided, man, just jump. You feel me? Just get out there and make shit happen. So what I'm doing right here is I got some transfers. These transfers are basically papers with screen printed designs on them. I'm placing them around the hoodie to make sure I have an idea of where I want to place these when I get ready to start heat pressing. You'll see that later on though. I've always been into clothing and movies and stuff like that, so I decided why not? Why not do more vlogs with a cinematic approach, and that's what I'm doing. These are my press instructions right here. It's kind of like a cheat sheet for when I'm getting ready to heat press something. It's my heat press I got off Amazon. It's a little cheaper. That right there is a thermal temperature gun, just to make sure that the heat press is accurate before I start pressing. I sped this up because the part's hella boring. But basically, this is me making sure everything's like straight with this sizing ruler. And this is me just continuously second guessing myself. I don't know if you guys are like that, but I'm like that a lot. The pressure's up hella high, that's why I press down like that. Double checking because once again I second guess myself a lot. And bam. Now let's get the back done. On my phone right there, I'm listening to a podcast. I probably should be playing it off the Diamond Box though, but it is what it is. Back piece. I feel like I should have had the pressure up a little higher, but it still did its job. If you guys are looking for a heat press, I'm going to be putting this information in the description inside of my Amazon store. Your boy's an influencer now, you feel me? So if you want to buy some stuff from my Amazon store or something like that, it'd be greatly appreciated. So that's me checking the hoodie, making sure there ain't nothing rising or anything. I think it looks dope. This is me with the hoodie on. Not only do I have to shoot my own videos now, I have to model myself because, you can't wait on anybody these days. Not a shot at anybody, but we live like an hour away from all my family and stuff, so I gotta start doing shit on my own. This is the website. Check it out. Let me know what you think. Order something if you want, and I'd appreciate that. All right, so until the next vlog or live stream, I'm out.